Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in a Chevy Traverse. Start by warming the engine, park on level ground, set parking brake, and gather 5W30 oil, a new filter, a drain pan, a wrench, and gloves. Locate the drain plug and filter underneath. Loosen the plug, drain oil fully, replace the filter, reinstall the plug, and refill with the correct oil capacity. Check level with the dipstick and run the engine to inspect for leaks. Before you begin, lay out everything to keep the job smooth and safe. Confirm the oil capacity and oil grade and check the filter part number. Place the drain pan under the plug and make sure the wrench fits the plug head. Wear gloves and eye protection and keep rags handy for spills. Working methodically saves time and prevents mess, especially when removing and replacing the oil filter. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof containers for holding nuts, bolts, and leftover oil rags, which keeps my work area tidy and prevents spills while I wrench. They also double as great meal prep boxes when you are on the go between jobs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Jack and support the vehicle safely if needed, then remove the drain plug and let the oil drain until it slows to drips. Replace the drain plug and torque to spec, then swap the filter after lubing the gasket with fresh oil. Refill the engine with the recommended amount, check the dipstick, start the engine briefly, and recheck for leaks. Dispose of old oil and filter properly at a recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.